Today I will show how to update drivers on Windows 10 computer. One way to update drivers is through Device Manager. To open it, press Win plus X and select Device Manager. Here, you'll see a list of devices on your computer. Find the device for which you need to update the driver. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Press Search automatically for drivers. And then press Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. In the Windows Update window, click on the Check for Updates. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out another video about how to automatically update drivers on Windows 10 on this channel. See you soon.